Did I mention it's hunting season? They either call it hunting season or training season, something like that up here. In my neighborhood, you can walk up and pet the deer. It's almost like hunting's not a sport anymore. I almost want to invite some hunters over to my place to help lessen the load. I don't have a neighbor that isn't complaining about the deer eating everything in their yard. Of course, except the grass. Still got to cut the grass. But all the fruit trees are stripped out. Any kind of berry bushes, roses. I have roses out in the front yard. My roses are destroyed. The deer don't even come at night to eat my roses. They come in the middle of the day. I like seeing them. I just wish there weren't so many of them. So many of them. See? More hunters. More hunters. They put collars on their dogs and then let their dogs run around. Last weekend there were dogs out on Deal's Gap, Tail of the Dragon. People were complaining there was a hunting dog sitting in the middle of the road. Oh, he's got a cobra. Wow. At least he's in a parking spot, not on the road. Over the mountain's just about over for you folks. I hope you enjoyed it. We've got about a mile left. BMW, BMW. It was 64 on the Tennessee side, it's 62 on the North Carolina side. Coming up on Joyce Kilmer on the left. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. We're at the Joyce Kilmer pull-off. And I'm going to head home after this, so I don't know if I'll shoot another video. Thank y'all.